Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize talent acquisition with LinkedIn, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by defining your hiring goals and what skills you need for the position. Create a detailed job description that outlines the responsibilities and requirements. Log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to the Jobs section. Use the Posted Job feature to share your job listing with a wide audience. Optimize your job listing with relevant keywords to improve visibility in searches. Include clear instructions on how candidates can apply for the position. Utilize LinkedIn's Talent Insights tool for data-driven decisions regarding talent pools. Search for potential candidates using LinkedIn's robust filters, such as location and experience level. Engage with professionals in your network who may know suitable candidates. Craft personalized connection requests to expand your network strategically. Utilize LinkedIn groups related to your industry to find and interact with active job seekers. Share your job posting in these groups to attract more applicants. Encourage employee referrals through your LinkedIn network. Create a company page if you haven't already, showcasing your workplace culture and values. Utilize your company page to post company updates, including job openings. Engage with followers by posting regular content that highlights your industry insights. Utilize LinkedIn's paid advertising options to boost your job postings' reach. Monitor applicant traffic and engagement through LinkedIn's analytics tools. Follow up with interested candidates promptly to maintain their engagement. Conduct initial screening using LinkedIn's InMail feature to connect directly with top candidates. Make use of LinkedIn's candidate assessment tools to evaluate skills efficiently. Schedule interviews with candidates using LinkedIn's calendar integration. Stay organized by tracking applicant progress directly through LinkedIn. Continuously update and refine your recruitment strategies based on results. Solicit feedback from newly hired employees to assess your talent acquisition process. Measure success through metrics such as time to hire and candidate quality. Implement improvements based on analytics to enhance future hiring efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.